getting out of her window, staring at the sun that she just can't touch. If in any jam is in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize it hurts her so much. But all the praying that's helping at all, as he can seem to keep himself out of trouble. But he doesn't, he makes his mind up his way, he knows how. Another God laying down in the cut. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes like you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little precious as a natural obsession that it just can't stand, it just can't see. Is a love and the best fire in those out. But baby, he can say his baby is good to me. But all the glance, it eclipsed in the mirror, but it doesn't recognize his own face. There the letters, and it doesn't know why he took his trip. Then it's flying to resting place. You're near me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes like you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Whoa, don't go chasing waterfalls. Let's stick to the rivers and the lakes like you used to. I know that you're gonna have